the Atlantic Ocean. Very strong, undulating, powerful, endless, mysterious, and very salty. Living side by side with a calm water lagoon, popularly called the Osho River, at La Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort. They live side by side, respecting each other's privacy. The calm waters of the lagoon, very gentle, very pure, and very quiet. We break through the sandbanks and travel down 6 times in a year to visit his bigger brother, his noisy brother. People say the lagoon fresh water does not mix with the salty Atlantic Ocean. They are dead wrong. The undulating movement, the meeting point, the warm embrace, the welcome, the love between the freshwater lagoon and the Atlantic Ocean, happening only at the one and only La Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort. A blissful marriage of man and nature.